Now we are going to see how can we give alias name for a module. For that thing we have to use a keyword as. Syntax is like this. First write import keyword followed by module name, then as keyword followed by alias name. Alias name means alternate name for our module. Sometimes our module name might be very lengthy, and if we want to access the elements or functions inside that particular module, we have to always use that module name dot the function name or attribute name or anything like that. So to avoid lengthy module names to be used repeatedly, we can use this particular method. See in these two programs. In the first program I have imported math, and for calculating the circle math.py is being called and used. In the second program, import area is written, and in all the three print statements I am using three functions of this particular module named area. For calling these particular functions, I have used area.circle, area.rect, area.square and all. It will be tedious task for a programmer when he is going to write a lengthy program. So you can avoid this particular thing using as keyword. Now I have written a module named called test.py. In that one I am having an attribute or a variable called x with a value 100. In that particular module I am having two functions. One is called add, another one is called product. Add function will print the sum of a plus b, whereas the product function will print a into b. See, in this test1.py program, I have imported test module. That means I am going to use the previous test module to my program called test1.py. In that one, I am calling attribute of test module, and I am trying to print that one. So print within bracket test.x, it will print 100. In the next statement, I have called test.add 3, 2. I will get the output 5. Sum is equal to 5. Test.product within bracket 10, 20 is given. So I will get the output product equal to 200. You can see the output in the down screen. So in this particular program, every time we have used test.test.test. It will be a tough task for a programmer. Now we are going to rename our test module as T. So import test as T is written. Then in print statement t.x, in add calling statement t.add 3, 2, in product calling statement t.product 10, 20 is written. You will get the same output what you have got in the previous one. So it means that you can give alias name for your modules with the support of the keyword called as. See, just like module aliasing, module members also can be given alternative name. For that thing, we have to use same keyword itself called as. So we are going to give different names for this add function as well as for the product function. Now we are going to see how can we give alias name for the members. From test import product as P. So only product is going to come as a part of our program. Remaining X and add is not going to get used in this particular program. And in this particular program, we are going to use the variable P instead of product. So P within bracket 9, 8 can be given. We will get the output 72. In this member aliasing programs, if we are trying to call the member name as product itself instead of P, it will give you error because we have already given an alternative name for product as P. So P within brackets values, it will be going to work without any error. But if you are again going to use product within bracket values, it will report error. So avoid such type of situations. If it is necessary, only we should do aliasing. Otherwise, please avoid this one. The same aliasing I have written in shell mode also. From test import product as P of 8,9, I will get the output 72. But if I am trying to use product of 4,55, definitely it will create error because it is not known regarding this particular function called product. Remember these three key points regarding alias name. After specifying alias name, don't use the original name. It will create ambiguity and which will result in an unexpected output or sometimes even error. In the previous programs, we got error. So avoid such type of situations when you are doing aliasing.